Good morning. We're going to make some really yummy honey raisin bran muffins with a Grammie twist. So I'm going to pan the camera down so you can see everything that I'm doing. I hope you'll enjoy these. Okay, there you have it right there, 12 muffins going in. What I really like about this is when you go around your bowl, it scrapes it all, and you just put the batter right in, just like that. Cleans the bowl, no mess. And if anybody's interested, this is a Crofton. I'm not promoting it. It was given to me as a gift from my friend Charlene. So these are going in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. Each oven's different, so make sure you check your oven. Oh, these came out so good. Look at this. And look how nice and brown. Perfect. They made a 12 really, really nice muffins. Look at that. So I'm going to try one right now. And put these down. I'm going to take one. I'm going to cut one open. I'm going to put some butter on it. It's still just a little warm, so that's good. I don't like my muffins too awfully hot. I don't know about you. Does anybody out there make these muffins? And if you do, how do you like them? And what do you use in yours? So here we go. They smell really good. And look at them. Shows everything beautifully. Here we go. Very good. You can taste the cereal. I got a little piece of the muffin in there. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share my videos. Find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, 2 places on Facebook, and here on YouTube. And those that don't know me, my name is Brenda. Hi, MAINEiac Grammie. Please like, share, and subscribe. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.